is taken by Top Notcher by the rail. And moving up on the outside, No Money, No Honey. And as they leave the straight, No Money, No Honey in the lead, followed by Musashi by the rail, Top Notcher moving up on the inside. And Mega Max, Batong Silyar on the farther outside. Big Bang and Anonymous heading for the back stretch. No Money, No Honey on the outside. And by the rail is Musashi. And Batong Silyar remains in third. And here comes the favorite Mega Max moving up on the outside, Top Notcher and Big Bang. The mid-back stretch is still No Money, No Honey. Moving up in between horses, Batong Silyar, Mega Max on the farther outside, Musashi on the inside. No Money, No Honey, followed by Batong Silyar by the rail, Musashi. And Mega Max moving up now on the outside. Rounding the pattern, No Money, No Honey. By the rail on the outside is Mega Max. No Money, No Honey. And moving up on the outside is the favorite Mega Max. But it's still No Money, No Honey in the lead, followed by Mega Max on the outside. And Batong Silyar, Big Bang closing in fourth. The top of the stretch, the lead is taken over now by the outstanding favorite Mega Max. Now moving up on the outside, No Money, No Honey, and Big Bang on the farther outside, Batong Silyar, Musashi. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still the favorite, and that is Mega Max. It is still Mega Max, followed by Big Bang on the outside, No Money, No Honey. And finally, at the payoff line, it's the favorite, Mega Max, Big Bang, No Money, No Honey, Top Notcher, Batong Silyar, Anonymous, and Musashi.
Okay, crossing the wire first.